Hey all, this is Mr. Hammond, and in this video I'm going to share with you another one of my favorite Google Chrome web extensions that allows me to write over any screen, anywhere, when I am sitting down in front of my computer. So this is called Webpaint. There are actually several tools that you can see there. I've used the Webpaint tool. It appears that they all kind of offer the same things. So we're going to look at the Webpaint tool. If you're not familiar with how to add a Google Chrome extension, it's pretty simple. You can just go to Google. You can actually type in Chrome extensions, and it should be that very first option that pops up. So Chrome Web Store, you can click on that, and it will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Make sure it's on the extensions, and then you can type in Webpaint. So we'll type in Webpaint here. I clicked on the very first one, but you're welcome to, you can try the others out as well. They seem to all provide the same kind of thing. Just make sure you click on the Add to Chrome. I've already added this, so it's already in my menu. And then once you do that, what I like to do is I like to, let's say I want to write on a presentation. So let's go to one of my presentations, and you'll see the little Webpaint tool in your extensions. If you don't see it in the toolbar there, remember you can click on that little puzzle piece and just make sure you pin it if you want to be able to access it easily. So I'm going to click on that, and the Webpaint options should show up. So I'm going to click on the pen or the pencil, and I'm going to change the colors here real quick. And you'll notice there are several tools that you can use here. So you have the most of the writing tool, any writing tool that you might need. So you also have another key feature here, the take a screenshot, because this doesn't actually save. So if it's something that you want to take a picture of, so you can share it out with students later, you can do that. So the way this works, I am in a Google slide, and I'm looking at this problem of the day, and I know that to work this out, I want to make sure that students know that they're supposed to put these pennies right where I draw the arrows. So I can do something like that, but you can write all over this, and I'm using my mouse to write. But if you have the touchscreen computer, now I'm using my fingers. So it works pretty well with either option. Sometimes it's a little easier to use your finger than it is the mouse. But if you're wondering, hey, I tried this and I'm not able to get it to write over the slides. Well, that is, I had to play with this a little bit. What you need to do to be able to write over your Google Slides is you actually have to, if you go to your Google Slides, all of your Google Slides have an option to, let's see, let's find a good slide. They have a special option that you have to pay attention to. All right, so that special option, so now that I have a slide open, if you go to File, you can scroll down and you can click on the Publish to Web. When you publish it to the web, now I've already published it to the web, so actually let's go ahead and we'll stop publishing for a second, that way you can see what it looks like. So you'll be taken to a screen similar to this, and you'll just click on Publish. And what that will make this do is your presentation will now act like it can act like a website. So you can copy that link and then open a new tab, paste that link, and then now this acts essentially like a website. So you'll notice it just it has its own special link for the website, and I can click left and right and cycle through that. Now the difference is, when it is a website, I can use that Google Chrome extension. However, when it is in presentation mode, let's say I put that in presentation mode, when I try to write over it, I can see the option and I can click on it, but notice I can't see anything here. Now, that is different when I am using the other option. So now I have my web tools and I can write all over this thing. So if I want to present something. So a couple tips there. Hopefully you found that helpful. Thanks.